In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a board private on monday.com. This is a great feature to use when you want to keep certain information restricted to specific team members, ensuring confidentiality and control over who can view and edit your board. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you need to open your internet browser and type in monday.com in the address bar, or simply click the link if it's provided to you. Once you're on the monday.com website, sign in with your username and password if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the plus sign, which is commonly located in the sidebar or at the top of your screen. This plus sign is your gateway to creating new boards, groups, or tasks within the platform. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on the plus sign, a drop-down or a new interface will appear, presenting you with several options. What you want to do here is select board. This option allows you to create a new board, which will be the space where you and your team members can work collaboratively. Now that you've clicked on board, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new board. Naming your board clearly and descriptively will help you and your team members easily identify its purpose at a glance. Take a moment to consider what the board will be used for and type in an appropriate name. With the board name entered, it's time to set its privacy. Look for the option that says private and click on it. By setting your board to private, you ensure that only the people you specifically invite can access this board and the information contained within it. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining security and confidentiality. The final step is to click on Create Board. Once you do this, your board will be officially created and ready to use. You can now start adding tasks, assigning responsibilities, and inviting specific team members who you want to have access to this private board. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created a private board on monday.com. Remember, keeping boards private can be essential for managing sensitive information, and it also helps in organizing your workflow in a more specialized way. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and that it helps you make better use of your monday.com experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.